Before joining this class, I never knew that it's gonna be such a fun, not only fun, that this is really, I'm learning something. What I never thought that I'm doing this kind of mistake for whole of my life, pronouncing P and B. Today this is enlightenment for me. So I'm feeling fortunate that I'm here, and just by paying a very very small fees. So delighted to be here. Thank you so much, Sapna. You are doing a great job. 2 to 3 hours per day to my language, my English, definitely I'll sound better. So thank you so much,
Yeah.
everyone.
Thank you so much, and hope to add more value. These are things, if you're with me, how do I go about my sessions? How do I go about what is my structure like? First, I tackle the pronunciation. Whatever English you pronounce it, bang on perfectly. The next level comes vocabulary. You've come across so many of these words here, and even on Clubhouse, right? We will tackle those. We will understand how to use those. Okay. And then the next level comes articulation and how to put those sentences together in such a way that it has a greater impact on people you're talking to. Now it is not about sentences, it's about the set of sentences that you put across. And then public speaking, how you speak it out, right? So it's a journey. It's a journey. This is a long journey. This is the first step that you are with me, and I hope you will be there with me till the end. And last but not the least, I will get you to author a book if you want to do. You will become an author with me, say after 15 months, 16 months, if you hang on with me like this. So this is what is my vision for my trainees. And I really want to do it. It gives me a lot of pleasure. And thank you for being such a wonderful, set of people.